said I'm much better now. Ever since my life has changed, the day that I found the truth, the day that I found my faith in the one who gave me eternal life. I found a friend. He said it's gonna be alright. Just come as you are. Those words echo in my mind. Don't need to fear, no need to run. There's no need to hide. He said, how have you changed after all these years? I said, it's quite simple. It's not whiskey or beer. He said, tell me your secret, 'cause I really need to know. I said, it's Jesus Christ. He saved my soul. And he's the one who gave me eternal life. I found a friend. He said it's gonna be alright. Just come as you are. Those words echo in my mind. No need to fear, no need to run. There's no need to hide. No need to fear.